Alright guys, so this is the spot. This is where I'll be for the next 24 days or so here in Phuket, Thailand. Finally glad that I made it here after being in Thailand for 7 months. So after my time is up here in Phuket, I will, it's highly probable I will be leaving Thailand for about 1 to 2 months. Switching up my location, don't exactly know where I'll go, so location is undisclosed as of right now. But so for today, because like I said, I got here last night in Phuket, and so all I did was like kind of walk about like 9 minutes away, go to 7-Eleven, grab a couple things. I thought this morning I was gonna wake up and go to the gym here because there's a gym in the building, but I went this morning and it is so tiny gym, and I hate tiny gyms because like you just can't get your workout in. There's very limited equipment. It's honestly the smallest apartment gym I've seen so far, and there were already 2 people in there, so like there's nothing I can do. So luckily there is a gym, like an actual gym I can go to and get a membership at that's only like not 8-minute walk away. So I can do 8 minutes a day walking, well 16 minutes total. Not bad at all. So at some point today I will be going there, but what we're gonna do first is we're gonna kind of tour the area. There is Central, let's say Central Festival or whatever, Central Mall, whatever, is only like 5 minutes away from here. So we're gonna go there. Then after that, we're gonna check out Patong. And then after that, we'll probably then head to the gym or something. So anyway, I'll take you guys around, give you guys my first impression of Phuket. Katu, I'm saying in the Katu area, I think that's how you say it. And by the way, so this room, this studio apartment for the month is going off of Airbnb, cost me $340. Now, I have heard since I've been in Thailand, people are like, oh, Phuket's pretty expensive. So we'll see. Typically when people say something is expensive or you need this much money to like live in Thailand or this area, it's kind of subjective. It depends on people's lifestyle, because people will ask like, okay, how much does it cost to like live in Pattaya? Could I live on 2,000 bucks a month in Pattaya? And I'm like, yeah, but someone else would be like, no. And the thing is this, if you eat Western food every day, if you get in a more pricier apartment for Thailand, and your goal is like women and drinks, no, $2,000 is gonna go very quickly. Because a lot of guys in Pattaya are spending money on women and drinks. Now, if you're like, okay, that's not my lifestyle, I don't drink, I don't really get into that type of stuff, I just want something regular, and I like Thai food, then great. I'm gonna tell you, yes, you can absolutely live on $2,000 a month and still have money left over. The average street meal costs you 50 baht, and then if you're in a more touristy area, then the street food prices are gonna pretty much triple, 150 baht. But if you're in a regular area, like the apartment, if you guys see my last video, that area, you can literally walk up the street and get street food, rice, pad thai, and stuff like that for 50, 60 baht, which is like $1.50. So very reasonably priced. The apartment, you can get it for like $200 a month, $250. So with that being said, add in your other expenses, I mean, like, yeah, $2,000 would be a lot of money. So we're gonna see how expensive Phuket is for the almost month I'm here. And I will be doing some of like the tourist activities, so I know like I won't really count that into my budget. I'll kind of only consider just like the regular living things. Anyway, let's go. I haven't had breakfast yet, but I do got this little plant protein drink I found at 7-Eleven yesterday. So we're gonna try it. No sugar added plant protein drink. Then I have the other ones. I have had the other protein drinks. I showed you guys actually in my last video. But we're gonna taste this one because I haven't seen this one when I was in Pattaya or Bangkok. So let's open it up, give it a taste, and see if it's good. Not bad. Not bad. All right, so this apartment is located right by university. So we got Prince of Songkla University. Hopefully I said that right. So that's right there. Thank you. Patong Beach. First impressions. Seems pretty straight out here. So the apartment I'm staying at in Katu, hopefully, like I said, I'm saying that right. It's about 6.5 kilometers away from Patong Beach. So it's about I use Grab. I think it cost me 118 baht. I'll put the conversion app on the screen. And I think it was about a 17 to 20 minute ride here. Very mountainous, so you go down some slopes, a little bit of upwards. Not too busy right now because it's only like maybe almost 11 o'clock. But yeah, I mean, overall, seems straight so far. We have much exploring to do here in Phuket. So, you know, I'll be bringing you guys videos all throughout the next 25 days or whatever. But today's just like just walking tour, just me getting familiar with the area. Even though I've been in Thailand for 7 months, I really haven't done my research on Phuket. So I don't know a whole lot of stuff besides, you know, going down to Krabi and different areas and the islands, the different islands and stuff like that. So we're just gonna get into some fun eventually. Not right now. Right now it's just walking around and getting familiar with the area. So we gotta stop and get ourselves a smoothie. So one smoothie, 50 baht, about $1.50. But I'm getting mixed fruit, so I think it's gonna cost me like 80 baht, maybe like $2. Who's complaining about $2? It's still a good deal. Let's get it. As I was walking, I just stopped and seen this little restaurant. So we're gonna try it. I'm getting some pineapple fried rice. Yeah, it's my first meal of the day. Got the smoothie. I did take an edible this morning as I was walking, so if you guys see me switch up a little bit and my eyes change, just know that brownie I took, it did something. So we got the pineapple fried rice. I didn't know there were raisins in there. I don't eat raisins, so we're gonna have to pluck these raisins out. Or I might have to try it and see what it tastes like. I have no idea what it tastes like. I don't eat. I've never had it before. Anyway.